Here I am presenting an online lesson plan. The title of the lesson is Exploring Quadratic Equations. Objective: by the end of the lesson, the students will be able to first define the quadratic equation and identify their key components. Second, solve quadratic equation using various methods, including factoring, completing the square, and using quadratic formula. Third, apply the quadratic equation to real-life scenarios. Duration of the class will be approximately 60 minutes, divided as follows. First will be an introduction, which will last for 5 minutes, started by greeting the students and establish a positive online learning environment. Then share the lesson objectives and explain the importance of quadratic equations in mathematics and real-life applications. Second will be the definition and components of quadratic equations, which will last for 10 minutes, started by introduction to quadratic equation as equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are coefficients. Second will be the discussion of significance of a quadratic term ax squared, the linear term bx, and the constant term c. End up with use of visual aids or online resources to illustrate the graph of the quadratic equation and its key features. Third section will be emphasizing on the methods of solving quadratic equations, which will last for 25 minutes, started by introduction to the three methods solving quadratic equations by factoring, completing the square, and using quadratic equation. Explain each method step by step and providing examples for better understanding. Finished by demonstrating when each method is most useful and highlights its advantages and limitations. Fourth section will be a practice and guided practice which will last for 15 minutes. Present quadratic equations problems on an inline whiteboard or share them through screen sharing tool. Work through examples together, applying different methods of solving quadratic equations, encouraging students to actively participate by providing input and asking questions.